All right, here's a problem where we've already gotten step one done. Y is already equal to 0 here. So we're simply just going to take this down to the next step, which is to solve this thing for x to find out where it crosses the x-axis. Now, x squared is equal to -1. Now, if we take the square root of both sides, you're going to notice that we get the square root of -1, which you can't do. In Algebra 2, you'll learn how to do that. That's something that we teach in Algebra 2. But for the sake of learning here, you cannot take the square root of a negative number here. So this one would just be no real solutions. Now, can we draw the parabola here? Of course we can. We can draw a picture of it, but it'll be one of those parabolas where the picture doesn't hit the x-axis. Okay, so it'll be something like this, I believe. Okay, that's the picture of y equals x squared plus 1. Okay, uh, it's above the x-axis and it never crosses. So that's why there are no real solutions. Please note that on the last problem we did, we had x squared minus 16 equals 0. So in other words, if it's a minus before we start the problem, you're going to get some solutions. But if it's a plus sign here before we start, you're going to get negative solutions. So, or no solutions, no real solutions, because it becomes a square root of a negative number, which you cannot do. So you'll see that should be like a little tip off for you to see that if it's plus sign here, that means you're going to get no real solutions. Here you'll get two solutions.